Welcome back to another back office video with Modisoft. My name is Jonathan. Today we're going to be going over on how to create your e-tags and update the pricing at your location. So the great thing about this technology is that it allows you to never have to waste any paper to update your pricing. Because if you ever have to update pricing for any of your items on your shelves, you know it's going to take a lot of time and also manpower for you to get your employees to go out there and replace all the stickers and update them with the new prices. So with the electronic tags that we have here at Modisoft, you are able to make the price changes here in the back office, send it to the POS, and then the prices will update automatically. So you can say goodbye to paper and hello technology. Now, if any of you all are interested about more information about the tags that we're using, you can go to our partner's website. It's www.ses-amagotag.com. I will put a link up here for you to go to that website if you would like to take a look at what they do offer. Now, if you've already set up an account with Amagotag and you have the tags in your store and ready to go and have already been set up, then what you would need to do to start scanning and putting your items on these tags is a very simple process. Depending on how many tags you have, though, it could take some time, but the process itself is a very simple process. So you're going to go to your top menu, go to Products, Labels, and then once this page loads, you will go to the eLabel setup. So on this page, you'll see that we've already got a couple labels on this account set up. So the only thing you need to do and what we recommend is you attach a scanner to this computer for your back office because it makes it a much faster process for doing this depending on how many labels you have. So you can just scan the barcode, enter the label ID, which it would be the ID that is at the very bottom of the tags. There's going to be a barcode there, or you can flip, if you scan the barcode, then that will actually add the label ID, or you can flip the label completely around, scan the barcode there, or if you do not have a scanner, you will see that there is an ID number that you can scan and enter manually to add that tag to the item, and that will map those two, the item and the tag, together. Once you do that, you can choose a template. We do currently have 3 templates, and if you would like to view the templates, you can see what the templates look like before you make your decision and assign your items a template. Once you do that, just hit the save button. It will add it to your list of labels down here below. And right now I'm going to show you exactly what it's going to look like whenever you save a label, and you will see the actual process of how it updates your electronic tag. And just like that, it's that simple to add your items and pair them with the labels. Now, once you have scanned all your items that you are going to associate with each of your labels, then you can go ahead and put them in the shelves. So once you have gone through that whole process with all your labels, let's say a couple months down the road, you need to update the pricing, and then you want to make sure that the prices reflect on each label that you have here. So I'm going to use one of these example items that we have here, and then we are going to show you the process of how to update those labels. So once you need to change the prices on the items, it's as simple as either going to your price book to update the items. If you would like to update multiple items at once, maybe you have a bunch of items in a price group that need to be updated that are on your label. So you can go into your price book and update multiple items at the same time and then just send them to the POS. If you would like to, we're going to show you the process now of just doing one item at a time. So we'll go here to the items page, enter that scan code for that item, and right now your current price is $6.99. But let's say, for example, your prices have gone up, so you need to update that price. So once you update that price, hit save, and then all you have to do is go to send to POS, single item review, and you will see that this is the item that you wish to update the price on. So you can just go ahead and hit send modified items to POS. Now you'll notice once you do that and once this item gets sent to the POS, you can actually see that the label will start to change and update with your current price. Now that you have your prices updated, you are good to go and you never have to worry about putting paper again on your shelves. It's just that easy. Just change scan your items. They will go and be paired to your labels. And then when you need to update your prices, just change your prices like you normally would in your price book and then send those items to your register. So not only will it update your prices at the register, it will update your labels on the shelf. So if you are interested in these type of labels, you can definitely contact our sales team with inquiries on how you can get these labels added to your store. I will leave a link here down in the description below of where you can go and who you can send that email to so that you can get more information on the labels. We hope that you found this guide useful in better understanding your Modisoft back office. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will always be up to date on your Modisoft back office. Thank you and have a wonderful day.